Hello students. So in today's class we are going to see about equivalent weight. But before that I am going to give a small trick to remember the atomic weight, because you have to memorize the atomic weight at least up to 20 atomic number here, so that you can solve the problem easily. This some basic concept of chemistry. In this chapter we have lots of problems only, okay, so for calculations. For that your molecular mass or atomic weight, this is very important. You have to memorize this one. So see the trick here. Here I have written elements name here: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, and atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have the next: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. So 1 to 20 atomic number with elements here we have here. So what will be their atomic weight here? What will be their atomic weight? See the trick here. We have four exception 4 here. What is the trick is, if the atomic number is even number, then the atomic weight of this it will be double of atomic number. You have to multiply with 2 just, okay. So if we have atomic number is even, then atomic weight will be atomic number into 2. Just we have to do the double. Like here, helium is 2 atomic number, so atomic weight will be 4 here. And lithium now next 3. If atomic number is odd number, 3 is odd number, then just double it. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 add. Plus 1 you have to add. So atomic number into 2 plus 1 you have to do, then you will get the atomic weight here. If the atomic number is odd, then just double it and plus 1 add. So you will get the atomic weight. So lithium atomic weight is what here? 7 here. Exception is for beryllium here. Beryllium atomic number is 4. We have to just double it, but you should double also and plus 1 you have to do for beryllium. Exception case it is. Okay. So that's why here 4 2s are 8 plus 1 you have to do here. You will get here plus 9 here. Boron 5 we have, 5 2s are 10, 11 here. Okay. Boron odd number it is, 5 2s are 10, 11. Carbon 6 it is. Even number just double it, 12 here. Nitrogen 7, and this nitrogen is also exception here. One nitrogen is also exception. Nitrogen 7 means here it is odd number, but here we should not add here plus 1. 7 14, just double do it here. Opposite of this one, beryllium was what here? 4 here, even number, but we have to double and plus 1 we have to do here, so 9 it is. Nitrogen even number, odd number it is, but no need to add plus 1 here. You have to keep as it is here, 14 here. Okay. Next oxygen we have here, oxygen 8, and just do it double, 16. Fluorine 9, 18 plus 1 do it. Neon 10, 20 here. Similarly sodium 11, 11 2s are 22 plus 1, 23 here. Magnesium 12, 24. Aluminum 13, 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27 it is. Silicon 14, 22. Okay, even number it is. Phosphorus 15, 15 plus 2, 30, and plus 1 you have to do it here, 31 here. Sulfur 16, 32 here. Chlorine 17, this is an exception case here, 17, but chlorine's atomic weight is what here? 35.5 here. 17 2s are 34 plus 1.5 do it here, plus 1.5 here, it is 35.5 here. Okay, exception it is. Next is argon. Argon 18 atomic number, 18 2s are 36 plus 4 do it here, just plus 4 it becomes what here? 40 here. Potassium 19, 19 2s are 38 plus 1 do it, 39. Calcium 20, 40 here. Okay. So up to 20 you can remember the atomic weight here. Only 5 exceptions are there. First is hydrogen 1, odd number it is, but 1 ones are 1 plus 1, no, don't do it, it is 1 only, hydrogens. And beryllium 4 it is, but 9 it is, plus 1 you have to do it here. Okay. Nitrogen 7, but don't add plus 1 here, 7 2s are 14 only here. Okay. And exception case where here chlorine 17, 34 plus 1.5 do it, 35.5. Argon 18, 18 2s are 36 plus 4 you have to do it. It is 40. Remaining you can use this trick here. Okay. So 1 to 20 compulsory, please first memorize the atomic weight. So to calculate the molecular weight also we have to know the atomic weight of the element, then only it will be easy for you. Okay. So please note down this one. Okay. Next, atomic weight you know it. Now next you should know the valency of element. Valency of element also you have to know it is very important to know the valency of the element. You should be perfect in that also. So see here how you will remember. Periodic table you have learned in 10th standard already, but once again see here we have in periodic table first group and second group. Okay, first remember this one, first group element they have valency 1, because they have in their outermost shell one electron. That one electron either they will donate that electron, okay, and take part in chemical reactions. Valency means what here? Number of electrons donated or accepted by the element here. Okay, so here or we can say many definitions are there for valency. We are not going to go in detail that one. So remember that one, the outermost shells, how many electrons are there, so that electrons they will take part in the chemical reactions. Those are called valence electrons. Okay, so how many valence electrons they take part in the reactions, that is its valency here. So here first group element they have 1 electrons in their outermost shell, they donate that electrons here and convert into a cation here. Okay, so that is their valency here. So first group element we have here hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium here. Okay, their valency is 1 here. Second group element valency is 2 here. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, scandium, barium and radium. Second group element valency is what here? 2. They have 2 electrons in their outermost shell here. Next we will come to the 13th group or third A group here. In third A group they will have, this is second period. This is what the second period: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. From here it is what a second period. First period we have 2 elements only, hydrogen and helium here. Second period, this is very important. Second and third period, if you just remember this 2 period, second and third period only, if you remember the atomic number, atomic weight and valency, it's enough, because these elements only will come in most of the reactions. So boron valency is what here? 3 here. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. This group, whole group valency will be 3 only here. Okay, because all these elements in the group, they will have 3 electrons in their valence shell here, last shell. Next we have fourth group, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Valency is what here? 4 here. Okay, because they have in outermost shell 4 electrons. Next we have here fifth group now here, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth here. This group elements, the valency is not 5 now here. Why? Because here they will outermost shell, what we have here, this is nucleus. Okay, and we have shells like this way, K, L, M here. Okay, so last outermost shell we have here 2, 8, 8 like this way. So 8 electrons will be there in the second shell here. So here 4 completed, 5 is there. So total they want how much? 8 electrons. But nitrogen, how many they have? They have here 5 electrons are there in their outermost shell. So they will donate always 5 electrons. They can accept also electrons to complete the octet here 8. So that's why they will accept the 3 electron here, and their in valence shell they will have 8 electrons. That's why, so acceptance is easy. 3 electrons they have to take it. That is easy to complete the octet here. That's why their valence is what here? 3 here. The valence is what here? 3. That means here 8 minus 5 we have to do here. So valence electron for nitrogen family it is 5 electrons are there. But they will what? Accept 3 electrons and complete their octet. That's why their valence is 3 here. So 8 minus 5 you have to do for fifth group elements here. What you have to do? 8 minus 5. So their valence is what here? 3. Next, sixth group here. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. 6 group elements, the valence will be what here? 8 minus 6. 6 electrons are there. 6 group means they have 6 valence electron, so they can accept 2 electrons and complete their octet. That's why their valence is 2 here. Last, 9th group, they have 9 valence electrons, so sorry, 7 electrons, 7th group it is, 7 electrons they have, so they will accept 1 electron and complete their octet. That's why their valence is what here? 1 here. And 18th group elements, their octet is complete here. 8th group element or 18th group element, their octet is complete. That's why their valence is 0. Okay, noble gases, 0 group elements, they are 18th group elements, their valence is what here? 0 here. So this one you have to remember it. What is that? Third group element valence is what here? 3. Fourth group element valence 4, and fifth group valence 3, 6th 2, and 7th is 1 here. So here you can remember 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this remember 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 on finger only you remember. Okay, how will remember? 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. That's it. 6 are there, no, totally. So 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. That's it. Okay, that is your valency. If you want to remember these elements, that also you will have so many songs or anything you have to memorize these groups elements also. Like here, this is in Hindi, हेली ना की रब से फरियाद. Okay, बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. And this one in Kannada also you can have, no, Bal Ganesh in temple. Okay, chemistry sir gave sneezing problem. Okay, again here Nam principal asked sambar biryani. OS say tipo. This is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. With name only you remember. The 7th group, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. And this is helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, with name only you can remember it. So valency, you should know the valency, that is very important. Okay, so first group and second group valency is what? 1 and 2, and third and fourth group valency with group you remember 3 4. Okay, and 5th 6th 7th group element what? 3 2 1. That's it. 5th group 6th 7th valence is what? 3 2 1. So these elements you should know it, especially the second and third page. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Boron valency 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine 1. Below that only we have aluminium, valency 3, silicon 4, phosphorus 3, sulfur 2, chlorine 2 here. Okay, and here beryllium, sodium and magnesium valency. Sodium valency 1, magnesium 2, potassium 1, calcium 2 here. Okay.